back to my channel. I'm coming on today to do a tutorial on this Alina Crafts hanging ball die that I had recently shared in an Alina Crafts haul video. So this is the base of the ball, and this is the cover for the base, and then you have this little die right here that creates the part that allows you to hang the ball. So I die cut that a couple of times, and then you have this piece right here which looks like a button. It does come with another button, and I apologize, I left that button upstairs, but I'm not going to use that today. I'm just going to use this one right here. All right, so I've already die cut it out, and I've got, I think, 5 or 6 pieces right here, but you really only need 5. So you're going to die cut out 5 of the base, which is this die, through your die cut machine, and then you're going to need to die cut out your cover, and you're going to need 5 of that as well. And you're going to do 2 of these, and you don't have to do it like this. This is the way I prefer to do it, and this is how I made mine. I die cut it out of heavyweight cardstock, and then I die cut it out of the deco paper, and I'm going to glue that together. And then this is a heavyweight glitter paper, so I don't really need to double that. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to take each base, and along the perforated line, we're going to just fold. So that's all we're going to do is just fold. Very simple. And then we're going to put that one down, and we're going to just do that to all of them. Just going to fold them down, and then we'll assemble them. We got 2. This is our 3rd one. And it's actually very simple to put together. And I do like to use this art glitter glue. It dries clear, and it also dries very quickly. I really like that glue. So that's what I'm going to be using today. If you don't have that glue, feel free to use any type of wet glue that you have in your stash. It's totally up to you. All right, so now that I've got these all folded, we're going to go ahead and adhere them. So these are the folded flaps, and all you're going to do is we're going to add our glue to all these pieces, and then we're going to line it up to this piece, and we're going to attach it. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. So I'm going to go ahead and start gluing. And you have to carefully line it up. And once you get it right where you want it, you can move on to the next side. And I'm just pushing on the back with my fingers, if you can see that, so that it will stay. And move to the next one. And I just like to kind of do it one at a time, and I'm pushing and moving it up with my fingers so that it lines up the right way, okay? And just slightly fold it at the bend and hold it with this finger. I hope you guys are seeing how I'm doing that very carefully, and just kind of pushing it down to line it up. I'm making sure it's lined up on this part right here, so it forms correctly, and I'm just pushing on the inside. Make sure I've got a good hold, and I think that I do. So I'm going to go ahead and build onto this one, and we're going to do the same thing. Add the glue to the flaps, and we're just going to repeat this till we have all 5 of them glued down. And you just start with that first one and press in, and then you move to the next one.